Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel D Creations Resources. Today in this episode we will be discussing about thermistors. So the word thermistor is made up of two more words, thermal and resistor. So as is evident from these two words, it's a resistor whose electrical resistance varies significantly with changes in temperature. So by understanding how temperature is changing with respect to the resistance of the thermistor, we can measure its resistance to determine the temperature. Now, how much the resistance changes is going to depend on the type of material which is used in the thermistor. So usually if you plot a graph of resistance versus temperature, it's a non-linear graph. Its nature will depend on the type of a thermistor. So there are two types, negative temperature coefficient, that is NTC thermistor, and positive temperature coefficient, that is PTC thermistor. So as is evident from the name, in an NTC thermistor, resistance decreases as temperature increases, while in PTC thermistor, resistance increases as temperature increases. Out of these two, usually NTC is preferred. In order to make a thermistor, two or more semiconductor powders made of metallic oxides are mixed with a binder to form a slurry, and small drops of this slurry are formed over the lead wires. Now they are then put into a sintering furnace for drying. Once these metallic oxides dry up on the lead wires, they are sealed by putting a glass coating on it. So glass coating will also make it a waterproof device and hence improve its stability. Now there can be different shapes and sizes of thermistors. So they could be in the form of beads of diameter say 0.15 millimeter to 1.5 millimeter. And they can also be in the form of discs or washers, etc. Now usually in the market you will see a thermistor with a value of resistance indicated on it, and this value corresponds to the resistance at temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. Now these thermistors are used in various applications. It could be digital thermometers or some household appliances where microwaves, fridges or ovens can be some of the household appliances. The thermistors can also be used for automotive applications to measure oil and coolant temperatures in cars and trucks, etc. So basically it is a cost-effective, accurate and robust device used for temperature sensing. Thank you.